Hey there, my name is Luke Utley with McDonough Hyundai, and today we're going to learn how to edit your dashcam recording time. Let's get started.
To access your dashcam recording time, all you have to do is go to Setup, Vehicle, Dashcam, Confirm. If we press Recording Time, we can have a parked recording time, which sets the time for recording video while parked. The actual video storage may be shortened depending on the battery condition. And so at minimum, you can have the recording going for 2 hours while you're parked, and at maximum for 20 hours. You also have event recording time, which sets the length of the recorded saved when impact is detected while driving or parked. And this is set at -10 seconds to +10 seconds, and you can also decrease that or increase that. Finally, they have a time-lapse recording time and interval option, which sets the length of a time-lapse recording in minutes and the interval of which pictures are taken in seconds. Just something really cool, not even really a safety feature, but just a really cool feature that Hyundai has added in the new Palisade hybrid calligraphies.